This review is of Bailey's Original Irish Cream Baking Chips. They're semi-sweet chocolate, naturally flavored with the flavor of Bailey's Original Irish Cream, but it's non-alcoholic. Wow, okay. I've already got it ready to go for you. They've even given a recipe for Bailey chip cookies. And here are the ingredients and the nutrition facts. And there's the recipe if you are curious. Okay, so smaller than average. I don't know why they're off color. These are... Oh, okay. Past their best by date. That's why. They're quite firm. Quite crunchy, I mean. I do not know the content of chocolate and cocoa butter. But these are very crunchy. Which I've heard somewhere is good. But they're sweeter than usual. I can't actually taste the Bailey's cream. They're not particularly strongly chocolate and I can't taste the cream, the Bailey's Irish cream. And it does contain soy. It may contain milk. I mean, they're okay, but I really wish I was enjoying the flavor of Irish cream in this. So it's unfortunate that that's not the case. But they're okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.